Ma'am, who are you? May I know your date of birth?
What?
I mean your date of birth.
What did you say?
Oh, I said please stay on the line as I connect you to our supervisor.
My goodness.
Hi, thank you for calling Juvenes Customer Service. My name is Brando. Can I have your name, please?
What?
May I know your name, please?
Huh?
Ma'am, your name. May I have your name?
I'm not understanding you.
Ma'am, who are you?
I'm Kath.
Oh, hi, Kath. How are you today?
I'm fine. How about you?
Oh, that's great. Me, I'm good.
Huh?
I'm good. Thank you for asking.
You're welcome.
And for verification purposes, let me correct out your name.
Huh?
Let me spell out your name and correct me if I'm wrong.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's C for Charlie, A for Albert, T for Tom, H for Holland.
Wait, who are they?
Oh, ma'am, don't mind them. I'm just spelling out your name phonetically using names.
My God.
Okay, for security purposes, may I know your date of birth?
What?
I mean your date of birth.
Oh, December 28, 1988.
Oh, that's today?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow, happy birthday.
I'm not happy.
Oh, you're not happy. Oh, then birthday.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, no ma'am, I'm already an adult.
Seriously?
I'm serious. I'm very sorry. By the way, may I know why you're not happy?
I just lost my husband.
Oh no, I'm very sorry to hear that. If I'm your shoes, if I'm in your shoes, I would also feel the same. So I'm very sorry. So I hope you can find him soon.
What? You know
And-
what? Get me a supervisor.
Oh no, ma'am, I'm very sorry, ma'am. Okay, for that, may I place you on hold as I connect you to our supervisor?
Go ahead.
Thank you.
What did you say?
Oh, I said please stay on the line as I connect you to our supervisor.
My goodness.